It's been a while since we've seen anything on the Selmer. I've been fretting and fussing to get this one set up. So here it is, the final video of the Selmer series. I think it sounds great. I'm not the greatest singer or guitar player, but I need to show what this box can do, so don't criticize my musicianship too much. If you have someone to sing with, it makes it a lot more fun. So this is my favorite singing partner. We aren't great, but we have a good time, and that's what it's all about. It's not one of those pristine, glossy finishes. It's just straight shellac. This is the look I like for instruments. It's a bit glossy and fancy, but not too much. It shows the wood in a more natural way. I'm not going for a polished glass finish. I want to see the shape of the grain. This may not be the standard for guitars, but it's what I like. It would not be hard to spray 10 to 15 coats of varnish over this thing and sand and buff it out to a perfect surface.
A 1, a 2, a 3, and a 4.
Every time it rains, pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure your umbrella is upside down. Trade for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you must have showered. So when you hear that thunder, don't go run under a tree. It's just pennies from heaven for you and me. Every time it rains, pennies from heaven. Don't you know each cloud contains pennies from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Be sure your umbrella is upside down. Trade it for a package of sunshine and flowers. If you want the things you love, you must have showers. So when you hear that thunder, don't go run under a tree. It's just pennies from heaven for you and me.
I like the small imperfections, the odd grain line poking through here and there, and I hope you do too. I appreciate all the views and subscribers that joined us through this process. I'd like to thank you again, and thanks for watching.